like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing games. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body dive, robbie that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new invitation, smirking, yeah. Gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that I gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like they're chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent, system market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. In the age of AI and illustrating dreams, we don't just chase candies, we bring reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing games. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body dive, robbie that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new invitation, smirking, got obsession, yeah. Gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that I gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like they're chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent, system market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. In the age of AI and illustrating dreams, we don't just chase candies, we bring reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing games. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body dive, robbie that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new invitation, smirking, got obsession, yeah. Gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that I gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end? Nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like they're chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying Markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, a pretty life-changing game. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, market got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent, system market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, a pretty life-changing game. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, market got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent, system market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, a pretty life-changing game. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, market got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandis, now the whole world's sending Tandis. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandis, now the whole world's sending Tandis. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing
Morning, guys. Morning. Hello, hello. Buenos dias. How are ya? ADR and David's channel. I like that. Do we have another David? I think we have 4 Daves. Or David. Hola, hola. We had CPI. It went right to our resistance level here, which was around yesterday's highs and yesterday's pre-market highs. What a chop mess was yesterday. Hopefully we have a better day to trade today. Better price action, maybe? Yesterday was nasty. Chop sweat today also. Let's pray it's not like that again. So far, this looks like a bullish flag here and here too. We have more data later today. We have Fed speaking at 10. My idea for today is just take a quick scalp play, like quick scalp, and then just be done. I do not want to be sitting here for hours watching an ugly price action. Even if it starts moving today, I want to be in and out of my position, kind of quick. Yeah, I don't want to waste my time with ugly price action. Okay, we're ready for today. Trade center is ready. We have our levels. We know we have one Fed speaking at 10. Let's go. 2 more minutes for the market to open. And then it's showtime. Are we still on a nasty range? Let me check that. Yep, we're still there with no clear trend. Very messy. Very, very, very messy. Why is this being so slow? Yeah, we're still inside a big range here. This is sick and destroyed. We'll see. We have these little flag, and then we have NQ holding PDH. PDH so far. You guys like this music, or is like a grandpa's music? Elevator music? The elevator music. Did I change it? Do you guys want me to change it? I'm fine with whatever you guys like, because I honestly don't trade with music. I trade with YouTube videos. Yesterday music was better, or this one was better? Hola, Edgar. We'll try DR. I had a playlist for it literally calls music for the stream, and I deleted by mistake. So now I'm kind of like looking for new music for the stream. Okay, let's change it for this one. I think this one is better. I like Afro beats also. Yee. Okay. So no blue flag. You like salsa? Salsa classics are very, very good. Okay, so we have NQ could not hold PH. Is it gonna react here? I know that's how you want to. Ooh, that's a big move there. I think it's gonna react. Yeah, fucked up out there. I don't like that move. Once again, whenever I trade the first few minutes of the market open on red, like I know, I should have waited a little bit longer. You break all the rules. So now we're holding PDH. Or at least trying to. Yes, looks a little bit better, just a little bit better. Than NQ. Okay, so a lot is going on around this level. You're long? Yeah, I kind of like that long, yes. Ooh, ooh. Once again, very jumpy price action. SMH is weak. Ugly, ugly, ugly price action again so far. Yes, it looks a little bit better to go long. To look for long plays. MQ's playing a lot around PDH. But let's be honest, how it's the price action been the past 3 weeks, especially the past 2 weeks? Been ugly, very, very ugly. It's been shit, yeah. SMH is very, very weak, guys, so be careful if you're trying to long NQ. Even though still trying to hold this little level here, but I don't know, I'll be careful here. For longs, it looks way better so far, because we have seen how that can change in like the next candle. Software today is very strong, but SMH is very weak. It looks like it wants to go for the gap fill below. I still kind of like these holds, but the problem is like to be able, if I want to play these possible upside, I have to give it like a very big stop loss. That's not even a 2 hours, so that's not worth it for me. You're green? Awesome. Awesome, congrats. You're a gambler. Must be nice, yes. The casino paid you this time. This time. No, but awesome, congrats. If you're green on this price action, man, just get out of here. Ugh, look at that. Yikes. Yikes. Adri. It's Andrea. Venezuelan. Oh, by the way, I ended the day ready yesterday. I was down like 250. I closed the day down 113. I had a huge week last week, so I think I'm gonna keep it very simple. Oh, maracucha. Awesome. I'm gonna keep it very, very simple. Yeah, last week I made almost 60K. So the rest of the month, I'm just gonna keep it small. Very small. We're up almost 74K this month. So yeah, the rest of the month I just not want to be red. I just don't want to lose money. That's all I want to do. Not lose money. And with this price action, yeah, I think that's the right goal for the rest of the month. Or at least until we have better price action. Because look at this. how many accounts? I have a bunch of accounts, but today I'm not copy trading. Yesterday I wasn't copy trading either because, well, yesterday was a mistake. I forgot to check if I had all my accounts linked, but it was good because again, this price action is ugly, so I'm trading with a live account. I've been trading with a live account lately. So I'm down over 400 bucks today with that live account, and I think I'm just gonna keep trading this one. And yeah, not gonna copy trade. I think for the rest of the week, I'm not gonna copy trade with my other accounts. Yeah. We have one Fed speaking at 10 also. We had CPI. The market's not doing anything, to be honest. My favorite is definitely Tradeify. Tradeify select accounts. Apex also, I also like Apex, yes. Those are the two main ones that I use. I have this live account with TPT. Are we gonna have another bounce here? Or this time is different? Yes, TPT. Who do I got in the game today? Who's play? It's today's France Spain, right? España. I think it's gonna be a good game. Definitely. I think France is gonna win the entire cup, but we'll see. You want both of them to lose? Why? I mean, US, you guys call it soccer. You guys shouldn't even win anything. Just calling it soccer. Maybe today you guys call it football, if today you guys are gonna win something. I mean, it's the US. I'm a Messi fan, but I do think France is gonna win. If not, it's gonna be maybe Argentina again. Maybe. Yeah, the problem with I can tell you this. I have a cousin that he was really, really, really good at soccer. He was playing here in high school. Well, he played his entire life, but it was very expensive to play soccer here. Extremely expensive. He was very, very good. You're going to move to Miraflores? Good luck. What is your best advice or setup before entry to the market if you can sell them? My best advice is to be patient. To be patient. Patience to wait for a good setup. Don't do what I did today. Just wait for a clear trend in the markets. You're always gonna have pullback. So let's just say we're waiting and then you have a big candle, right? That it goes up, right? You're always gonna have a pullback. So just be patient, wait for the pullback, and then you enter there. Like, just wait. We need to wait for the market to tell us where it's gonna go, and then you wait for a pullback. Even if it's the trend is down, you wait for that big candle, then you wait for a pullback or rejection, and then you play the downside continuation. I think that's the best any trader can do. Just wait for a clear trend. Yeah, I don't use indicators. Only VWAP on SPY and QQQ. Today looks more bullish than bearish, but again, if you want to trade anything, just by looking at this price action, we need to give it like a huge stop loss. So is it worth it? Is it worth it? Like, I really like this hold on ES, but to be able to play this, I'm gonna have to give it like a big stop loss because it could easily go lower and then just chop around and then go back up here, right? So this is a 2.36 R, which is not bad, but that will be my second trade and I'm already red. So I don't know if I wanna enter a trade where I need to give it like a big stop loss for possible maybe move higher. So trade smaller or same size for the big stop loss. What do you think will be my answer? What do you think it's the answer? I think you know what's the answer. I mean, let's be honest, guys. If we're trading this is because we're not taking A+ setups. Like, let's just start with that. We're taking bad setups. So if we ended that red, we deserve to be red because we're forcing trades here. Like, this is not a good price action. Yeah, this is not a good price action at all. So taking a trade in this price action is gambling, high risk. Yeah, I don't like this. The trade that I like the most is this on ES, but still it's not a good, it's not, I will say it's a C setup. Average gambler, David. Don't overthink. Like, what's the market doing? The market is just choppy. Don't overthink anything. The price action is not there to take trades. Like, we are overthinking this. It is very simple. The market is choppy. Therefore, for me, at least for me, this is not what I like to trade. For me, there's no trades so far. I tell you guys this every single day, but trading is a business. And when it comes to business, you don't want to put money into something that it has high probabilities that you're gonna lose money, or high risk business. Might feel the gap then. Yeah, I was looking at this gap here. Yeah, I was looking at this gap and I was like, oh, maybe we're gonna go for that gap. And this is maybe the reaction of this. Maybe this reaction here instead of the PVH. I don't know, because we also have a gap above. So we have a gap here, and we have another one here. So, and we are on the middle of nowhere. Yes, I don't think it has a gap below. Let me check. Yeah, yes, filled the gap and bounced. But at the end of the day, again, guys, the market is this price action is pretty choppy. So we can have a bunch of like theories, but at the end of the day, the market is just very choppy. I would love to see NQ going lower and fill that gap. I would love to see that. Market going down to pre-market lows, that would be beautiful. Oh yeah, we have Fed right now. Is he already on? You guys want to listen to him? Have you seen the chat whenever him or Trump are speaking? It's so funny.
Close quote. Congress.
Why is my computer so slow today?
Congress expects the Fed to remain
Oh,
focused on
buy,
its
sell, sell.
keep it until price stability is achieved. Today we face the consequences of some of the Fed's former choices. In August 2020, the Federal Reserve adopted a flexible average inflation targeting framework in which it decided to allow inflation to run, open quote, moderately above 2% for some time, close quote, after periods in which it had been running persistently below 2%. This framework, combined with the irresponsible fiscal policy and a slow response to inflation that began in March 2021, led to an inflation.
Okay, bye. Okay, guys, calm down. Guys, this is not Desi's stream, so this is ADR stream. Calm down. It's funny how people don't speak until something is wrong on the stream or I take a red trade. ES is still holding. Oh well, not good entries on this move lower. Oh, thank you. Like the video, guys. People busy buying emails. Oh my god. Cloud, that's gonna depend on what account you bought on Tradeify. What type of account and size also. If you're buying more evals on Apex, remember to support the stream using Apex ADR or ADR Apex. Both work. Yeah, Apex have a very nice deal right now. 90% off, and the funded account fee is $59 for all size. For all account size. Saying size is it's weird. For all account size is $59 for the funded fee. ES is not even moving, like nothing is happening with ES. Inky under this little resistance here could be nice, could go for more downside. SMH is still looking very, very, very weak. Market is moving very slow now. We have that Fed speaking, and the price action today is very ugly, so I don't know if it's worth it. Again, ES is still holding. ES doesn't want to go lower. Or maybe it does. Who knows? Who knows what's gonna happen today? Yeah, very boring. That was a good reaction here on NQ. Yeah, very nice reaction there. Morning lows reaction here. That was a good one. I'm gonna take these. At 8:30 we had CPI. Yeah, definitely, yeah. Going long against NQ is not a good move. Yes. We took NQ shorts. Nice. Yeah. That's paying. Well, it's summer market. How is summer market always? Very choppy and very slow. $589, $588 is the gap fill on SMH. Not good CPI. At 8:30, the market liked CPI. Look at this big move here. I don't know if it was a good or bad CPI. I honestly, guys, I don't pay attention to news. This is what I do with news or data. I let it happen. I see however the market wants to react to that, and then after it's when I look for trades. CPI was good. Okay. I think that the price action may be a little bit better in the afternoon. But I don't know. Yesterday afternoon it was also very choppy. So again, I forgot it was summer. So yeah, welcome to the summer markets. Yeah, August is, I think it's the worst month. And lately it's been December too, also. I would say the past 2 years, December, it's been so bad. I will say the worst month of the entire year. December last year was really choppy. And 2 years ago, it was very choppy too. In fact, I think 2 years ago, I took the entire month off, or almost the entire month off. Okay, let's see. Are we gonna reject here, or is it gonna hold this little morning low level? I'm gonna try a short here. On NQ, just one contract. I'm going very small here. Let's see if we can have continuation to the downside. If you stop me out, I'm done trading this morning. Okay, yeah, I got. Awesome. Thank you. La Tóxica. Yeah. Oh my god. It still looks good for a short, but it only had to go higher to stop me out. And stuff like that is what it could get me into revenge trading. So I'm done, guys. I'm done. Yeah. So 442 down for today. Look at that. Too little. Well, technically the second trade it was a little bit green, but yeah, I'm done. So I'll be, yeah, that was a BS week. If the market has better price action later today, I'll take one more trade. But if not, I'm just gonna end the day red. I'm just under 500 bucks down, so nothing big. Like, so I think I made the right call on copy trading today. Yeah, I don't want to put my funded account into a crazy price action. Yeah, so I'll be here again tomorrow. Thank you for like the video, guys, and thank you for being here with me. Otherwise, I'll be very bored trading on my own. So thank you. Yeah, this is a BS price action, so be careful, guys. Don't blow up your accounts on a bad choppy day. I'll see you again mañana, guys. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing games. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, market got obsession. Yeah, Dell exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurgery.